Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something completely new, which is super fun, and it is making plushies out of felt. And I'm making these ones into keychains. You guys can make them into keychains, pins. You can just keep them how they are, however you want. So I am going to be showing how to make them into keychains. And I can't say I'm an expert at this. I'm actually just testing it out, just seeing how it goes, what works for us, what doesn't, as usual per my channel. And I did watch a couple of people on YouTube make some plushies. I'm not doing any specific pattern that they did or any pattern online. Like you can see, I'm just making up a pattern. I saw a lot of people do avocados and I thought that was super cute, so I wanted to try that out. So I'm actually just drawing out an avocado. So after I make the patterns, I will be doing the sewing part. And I wanted to say that I definitely am not an expert at sewing. I'm actually just really not good at sewing at all. I just did 2 different stitches. The first stitch is the stitch I think that everybody knows if you've ever sewn. It's just the in, out, in, out. I don't know what that's called, but you literally just push the needle in one side and out the other side and keep it going. And the other one is the blanket stitch. I think I'm going to try to explain it a little bit, but I'm also going to link a video to someone that explained it a lot better than I can, because half the time I feel like I do not know what I'm doing. And I think I actually left in, like, when I made mistakes. I want to show you guys and like normalize mistakes, because it is completely normal to mess up, and I definitely did. First of all, I think that the patterns should have been maybe a little bit wider. That's something to remember if you're gonna make your own pattern, because when you stitch it in, like, the sides are gonna go in, so it's gonna be a lot skinnier than you would have imagined. And you'll see that on the avocado, and I'm actually going to make a star as well, and the star ended up being way too skinny, so it looked like a starfish. Like I said, we're just seeing what works and what doesn't work, and I don't know that I'm technically doing things exactly how a professional will do it, because I'm sure I'm not, but I did try to do things just as I could. Like, I just got these felt pieces at the Dollarama for probably like $4, and yeah, you guys know that I'm always trying to make things that are affordable and easy. Something I think almost anyone can do. And yeah, I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope that you guys have a lot of fun watching it. And I will probably pop in a few times to say some stuff. I'm not going to talk through the entire video. I'm going to put on some music and let you guys watch, and I'll talk to you guys later.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the blanket stitch, and it's maybe a little bit hard to see, and that's why I'm gonna link a video on how to do it. But basically, I go in from the back, and when I pull the string, I actually go through that loop on the right. I know it's hard to see, so I do recommend going to see the video, but basically, when you put the needle through the felt from the back, and you're pulling it tight, there's gonna be a loop, and you want to put that needle through the loop, and that's what's gonna make the blanket stitch.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time.
Hey everyone, thanks for making it to the end of my video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, thanks. Bye.